So I grew up in the hospitality industry. My first job when I was 15 was a restaurant, and ever since that I've always just had a passion with hospitality.
Well, all my life my parents took me to hotels, and I feel like the people, the customer service people, they've all wanted to make me happy, and I've always wondered, why can't I be like them, making other people happy and ensuring their vacations go smoothly? So I figured I'd want to major in hospitality, so I chose Lynn with the warm weather and figured it's a great program.
I feel like in the hospitality program, like they truly care for their students and they truly want them to excel.
My favorite part is like we go on all these property tours to these country clubs. Like recently we went to the Hard Rock. It was so cool, and we get to meet like some of the executives and all these people while we're at the hotel. So it's a very unique experience to be able to go out and see what the real world looks like while I'm still in college.
Within the hospitality industry here, at Lynn and with the major, it's just made me more comfortable to put myself out there and network myself and go up to people.
I would say communication, customer service, and being able to work as a team with others. Because throughout the hospitality program, I have to work as a team to reach an end goal, and that's really that one skill that really propels me forward in this program.
I definitely would say just go and go for it, because I feel like a lot of people are kind of scared or nervous for hospitality because of hospitality is us, basically it's taking care of other people, and I feel like a lot of people are kind of nervous on that part. So I feel like if you feel like you can do it and you feel you're up to it, you just need to go for it.
Definitely be open to making friends on campus, because you'll have these friends in your hospitality courses and you'll need to work with them in groups as part of reaching the requirements of the program. So be open to friendships, as it will help you get along with some of your potential classmates in these hospitality courses, in which you'll need to work cohesively with them to create fake hotel brands and all sorts of fun projects.
I work for the company is called True Hospitality. So it's a bunch of different events, and I really like helping plan the events, helping execute the events. We do an event in Meisner Park called Tequila Festival. So I work the entire day from loading in the vendors, helping them set up, and then you see the whole event at night. It's just so cool.
I'm definitely looking into the hotel industry. I'd love to work for any of those chain hotels, doing a concierge role, helping people know the area of where the hotel is, making sure they're having a great stay. And I'm also open to front desk associate as well, so as long as I'm entering the hotel route, I can make myself happy and make others happy.